Greetings, cosmic explorers. Join us as we unveil the colossal stories behind some of the largest impact craters in our solar system. Each cosmic scar holds secrets to the tumultuous history of its celestial home. Let's begin our cosmic journey. Our cosmic journey unfolds with the South Pole Aitken Basin on the Moon. This colossal basin, spanning over 2,500 kilometers, is an ancient relic, formed approximately 4 billion years ago during the Late Heavy Bombardment, a time of intense cosmic collisions that marked a transformative period in our solar system's history. As we gaze upon its vastness, consider this: the South Pole Aitken Basin is so deep that it reaches depths of up to 13 kilometers, revealing layers of lunar history buried beneath the surface. It is indeed a monumental testament to the tumultuous events that sculpted the lunar landscape. Venturing further into the red landscapes, we encounter the breathtaking Hellas Basin on Mars. This basin, formed around 3.8 billion years ago during a period of heavy bombardment, boasts an average depth of 7 kilometers, making it one of the deepest impact basins in our solar system. But here's a fascinating fact: the basin's unique geography doesn't stop on the surface. Beneath its dusty exterior, scientists believe there might be a buried glacier, adding another layer of intrigue to this Martian giant. The Hellas Basin, a cosmic theater of geological wonders, continues to captivate the imagination of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Our cosmic journey takes us to the mysterious Chronicles Basin on Mercury, a basin formed over 3.9 billion years ago during the Late Heavy Bombardment. Stretching wider than the state of Texas, it's not just its size that captures our fascination. Chronicles Basin is a basin of extremes, with temperatures on Mercury's surface ranging from scorching to freezing. Due to its unique topography, the basin experiences extreme temperature differences, creating a challenging environment for any potential visitors. The Chronicles Basin stands not just as a testament to the celestial forces shaping Mercury's surface, but also as a reminder of the dynamic, and sometimes harsh realities of our solar system. Returning to Earth, we uncover the profound Chicxulub crater, formed around 66 million years ago. This colossal crater, buried beneath the Yucatan Peninsula, is not just a geological marvel, it's a time capsule. The impact that created Chicxulub played a pivotal role in the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, leading to the demise of approximately 75% of Earth's species. The energy released during this impact was so immense that it caused the formation of peak rings, a unique feature found in large impact craters. Chicxulub's legacy extends beyond its geological footprint, offering invaluable insights into the cataclysmic events that shaped the course of life on our planet. Our cosmic journey concludes with the enigmatic Odysseus crater on Saturn's moon, Tessis. This impact basin, spanning over 400 kilometers, is surrounded by a network of fractures, creating a captivating and intricate pattern on the moon's icy surface. What makes Odysseus particularly intriguing is its central peak, a towering mountain rising from the impact site. This unique feature hints at the complex processes at play during the formation of large impact craters, providing scientists with valuable clues about the moon's composition and geological evolution. As we bid farewell to Odysseus, we leave with a deeper appreciation for the dynamic dance of celestial bodies within our vast solar system. Join us in the next episode as we continue our cosmic exploration, peeling back the layers of the universe's geological mysteries. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos unraveling the cosmic wonders of the universe. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.